Hi, this is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper. So we did our ceiling and our wall in the same wallpaper. And of course, when you do that, some of the pattern is necessarily going to get cut off if you have a very pronounced pattern like these fish. We did the wall separate because if I went with one piece, I went all the way up here and this way, I would be upside down over there. Just show them that wall. So at some point you have to stop. And where do you stop? Come back here. You stop at the top. That's where I decided to stop. The problem is that when you try to space out the wallpaper on the ceiling, you're going to lose part of these images. I just want to show you one of the remedies for this type of problem. So we cut out one of the fishes from the other roll, and we decided that since he's a little chopped off, if we just take another fish and put it right over this one, we can eliminate the odd appearance of not having a full fish. And so, let me just have that rag, please. Thank you. And so, that looks better than just having 3/4 of the fish. Now, since this is high up, you can just put the fish right over it without an issue. So whereas this is the new addition, this part of the fish was part of the wall. And so you can see how it's a lot better in appearance. Just wipe off your excess. Now, this is the glue that I'm using, vinyl over vinyl. And it's the best for this because if you just use the pre-pasted glue on the wallpaper or Romans 880, it's going to come off. It's not going to stick. Okay? And that is our repair. This is Spencer Colgan from Spencer Colgan's Wallpaper. And that's how you do a little repair. It's actually not a repair, but let's call it a fake. Did another one over here. Okay, please click on like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.